Hey guys, this is Brent Sibley and I'm your lawyer because this is a video that I'm making for my clients specifically. Although it's going to be a public video, it's designed and I'm filming it with the idea of answering some of my most common questions. So again, today's video is understanding the big picture of a settlement. Attorney's fees, medical bills, attorney's costs, and net recovery. What do those terms mean? Okay, so first and most important is you need to understand some other videos and some other topics before you can watch this video. So some of the other videos that you need to understand are you need to understanding the attorney's fees, how the attorney's fees work in our contingency contract, which I will make that video. I may have already made that video, but you'll have to watch it. My video, I'll have it posted. Understanding attorney's contingency fees, understanding the policy limits of your case, or what is also called the total recoverable amount, the total amount of money that I can go after for your case, and then understanding your medical bills, and then finally what your net recovery is, which is what most people want to know, and I've heard it called how much am I getting clean money to me, net recovery. Okay. So the first thing that you need to understand, and I'm not going to go into detail on it, is what your policy limits of what the total amount of that recovery I can make for you. And then sometimes this doesn't matter and sometimes it does. But you need to watch that video to understand. So let's just say that I have a $100,000 recovery for you, and that's the gross recovery that I make. So I settle your case for your policy limits of $100,000. Then let's just say that your medical bills are $70,000, retail medical bills, and you need to watch the video that I made on understanding medical bills because that's important. That's a 4-minute video. You need to watch that to understand that because otherwise this video won't make a lot of sense to you. So you have a $100,000 gross settlement, you have $70,000 of retail medical bills, and let's say that the case settled pretty quickly so that my costs, the cash that I've actually spent on your case are $1,000, which is usually we spend even less than that, but just to make round numbers be round. Okay, so now let's look how this breaks down. $100,000 recovery. So I'm charging my attorney's fees based on that. Let's say it's settled without a lawsuit, so my attorney's fees will be a third. So $33,333 are my attorney's fees. And I spent $1,000 cash on the case, so I need to be repaid that amount also. So that's $1,000. So the total amount that the attorney fee that's coming back to my law firm at the end of this case is going to be $33,333 plus $1,000. So $34,333. That's coming back to my law firm. Then the next amount is the medical bills that have to be paid. So let's say that your total medical bills were $70,000. But because of negotiations, because of car insurance payments, because of health insurance payments, maybe Medicare payments, it's pretty complicated. But let's say that I'm able to get the $70,000 of medical bills that were incurred in your case down to only $10,000 that I need to pay out of my trust account, out of your recovery. So now you have the $34,333, plus you have $10,000 that has to go to the doctors, the health insurance companies, and other stuff like that. So now out of your recovery, you're up to $44,333. In this scenario, you would be entitled to the rest. So that would be your net recovery. So you'd be getting $100,000 minus $44,333, which I don't have my calculator in front of me, but it basically comes out to $56,000. So $56,000 goes to you, $34,000 goes to my firm, $10,000 goes spread around to the doctors and the health insurance companies, and then you get the rest of that money. So that is just a very basic understanding of how it works when you do a settlement. And it's really important because when you heard the facts first and you thought $70,000 in medical bills, oh my God, how's this going to work? That's why it's important. Please go watch that video about understanding how the medical bills work because they are not what they seem, and you need to watch that video to get a better understanding. So again, guys, this is Brent Sibley, just a quick breakdown of how a settlement works, very simple, using easy numbers. If you want more clarification, of course I'm available, but I'm making this video so that you can at least get the basics, basic understanding of everything. I'm your lawyer, Brent Sibley, and have a great day.